Hello everyone. Today I am going to do the question set 8. Now we will see the question set 8 first. In question set 8 there are 6 questions. So we will read the scenario and identify the relevant things and we will answer the questions according to the scenario. So in question set 8 there is a small 2 sentences. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store the data that computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. So there are 2 tables maintained by Max Mobile business in order to keep the data. The 2 tables called customer and product tables are used to store data in this company. So we will go to the first question. First question says that create a database named mshop to save data in mobile phone shop. So in question number 1 they say that to prepare a database called mshop. So I use the Heidi software for this activity. So I am going to create the database. Right click, create new database. The database name is mshop. The database has been created mshop. So I am going to go to the question again. So in the second question they are saying that create a table as customer and product in the database. Follow the instructions below. So we have to prepare the 2 tables called customer and product according to details given below. So I am going to prepare the 2 tables for customer and product according to details. So I will prepare the table. So I will right click on the mshop, create new table. I will create the 2 tables. First table is customer. So I will create the customer table. Customer, I will add the column. First column is customer ID. Customer ID, data type is int. Length is 10. Length is 10. Auto increment. We have to set this as primary. Create new primary key. Index primary. We have to set this as the primary key. Set this as the primary key. So I'll create the next column called first name. Data type is varchar. Length is 45. The next column is last name. Data type is varchar. Length is 45. Next column is gender. Data type is varchar. Length is 10. I add the next column. The next column is contact number. Data type is varchar. Length is 10. So I have created the table called customer. So I am going to save this. So it is saved successfully. So I am going to develop the next table called product. So I am going to create the next table called product. So I am going to right click on mshop again and create new table. So the next table name is product. Product is the next table name. So I'm going to add the column product for ID. Data type is int. Length is 10. Primary key. I'll set this as primary key. Create new index primary. Auto increment I think it is a token increment. Let's see. So increment product, no auto increment, only the primary. So I am going to no primary, no default value. No auto incrementing raw ID column. So I am going to create the next column, brand name, data type is varchar, length is something around 45. Next column is module name, data type is varchar, length is 45 again. This column is price. Data type should be double. You, as an extra knowledge, I will tell about the double data type. In double data type, we can keep whole numbers as well as decimal numbers. So in Sinhala we say that Purna Sankhya sa Dasama Sankhya. So we can keep whole numbers and both whole numbers and decimal numbers in double data type. So no length is given. No, I am going to save this. Is saved successfully. Now the two tables called customer and product is created. So now we go to the third question. Third question says that add data graphical to tables you have created. It means this question says that we have to add all the data, all these rows into the customer and the product table. So in question number 3 they are saying that we have to insert all these rows or the data into the customer and the product table. In the customer table we have to enter this data. In product table we have to enter this data. So I am going to enter this data now. I'm going to insert the data now. I am going to insert the data now. So in order to enter the data, I will click on first. I will enter data in customer table. So I am going to click on customer data and I'll add the column. Customer ID, customer 001, first name is Tirina, last name is Ekanayaka, Ekanayaka spellings are wrong, but I type according to the question. Gender, male, contact number. I am going to copy this contact number and paste this because it is easier for me to handle this. Copy and paste. I have entered the first command. Customer ID. I think okay, I'll give this customer ID as like this. Okay, now it is okay. Table customer. So the date type of customer is integer. No, I have given it as integer. So customer ID should be Vacha. Sorry for the mistake. Vacha should be Vacha. Yes, this is corrected. Now I'm going to call table. So now I can keep this as customer 001. Okay, now it is okay. Customer 001. Customer 001 is the customer ID of first row. So I have entered the first row in the customer table. So I'm going to enter the first row in product table. So I'm going to enter column. This should, I think product ID also should be Vacha. So I will check the Vacha. So I'm going to table. It should be Vacha. Save. Okay. I'm going to add the column and I will write the details here. Product 001, product 001, product 001, Samsung, model name, model number. Model number is right. I have given as model name. So I will give number something. Model number Wi-Fi. Price is 25,000. 25,000 is the price. 25,000 is the price. So I have entered the details in the customer ID and product table, but I have entered only one row in customer table as well as product table. So I have entered the other data fast forwardly. So we will meet by adding all the relevant details to the two tables, and we will meet to discuss about the other questions. So I'll make the other data available fast forward. Okay, now I added all the details in the product table as well as the customer tables to my table. So you can see all the details in the customer table as well as in the product table are inserted into my two tables called for customer and product. Similarly, so now we will go to the questions. So we will go to the questions one by one. So we have completed the first, second, third questions. Third one is graphical representation. It means we have to enter the data in graphical form, not in query forms. Okay. Then find all customers. We have to find all the customers in the customer table. So we have, in order to find all the customers from the customer table, in order to find all the customers in the customer table, we have to use query formats. So we have to use the query called select. We have to use query called select query in order to find all the customers who have purchased products. In order to find all the customers who have purchased products, we have to use the select query. So I will write the select query here in order to find all the customers select. I'll give the customer table data customer ID. So I'll write first name. So I'll give the first name column first name. In order to find the customers, select first name. I'll write the from mshop database from customer table. So by writing this query, we can find all the customers who have purchased products from the mshop business. So in order to find customers, we can use this query. So I am going to execute this. So we can see all the customers who have purchased. We can see all the customers who have purchased products. So this is the answer for the fourth question. So we have done the fourth question. We will go to the fifth question. In fifth question, they are saying that find details of all products. So we have to find the details of all the products. So it means Samsung brand, brand names, model number, price, all of the details should be fine. So we will use the select query in order to find all the details related to product. So I write the select query. Select from all. There should be all, because we have to find all the information related to production. Select all from. I write the database name mshop dot table name product. Okay, I will execute this. So you can see all the details related to product have been showed in the screen. So by using this select query, we can find all the details related to the products. So if we want to find the details of customer, we can change the name of the table as customer and execute. We can find the details of all the customers as an extra knowledge. So we will go to last and final question. The last and final question is find the details of the customer whose customer ID is 003. So we have to find the details of this customer. We have to find the details of this customer. Navodi Kiriwatu Tuduwa my mail this number. We have to find the details of this customer from the tables. In order to find the details of that customer, we have to also use the select query. So I will write the select query. I write the all here. Select all from. I write the database name for mshop dot customer is the table name. So select all from. We select all from. Select all from customer ID. Where I write the condition. Here. Where customer, I write the column name, customer ID, customer ID, yes, the column name is customer ID, yes, customer ID equals to customer 003. So I wrote the select query and I wrote the all symbols in order to find all the details. We have to find all the details of the customer 003. In order to find all the details of customer tree, we have to use the all symbols in form database name, table name, where customer ID equal customer ID 00C. So we have to execute this query in order to get the answer. So select all from mshop.customer where customer ID equal okay. So I will execute this query. So we can see that the answer has been displayed in the screen. So we found all the details related to the customer ID 00T. So this is how we use select queries in order to find the details. So I hope you all learned something from this. So we will meet from the question set 9 fastly. So thank you for watching.